Hi guys.
Welcome back to Robertson's Belly Acres.
Welcome.
So we're at the new house. Yay! We have been working hard today. Cody has been here helping us.
That boy is a worker.
Yes, he is. Working our tails off on this hardwood floor. I'm getting more and more discouraged, but hey, it's okay. And Rusty has been working on the bathrooms, and that's what we want to talk about, what we're fixing to do.
Yay! Okay, so come on in here. What we're going to do, with Rachel's help, we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the commode and this vanity and sink out of here. Going to leave these peel and stick tile down. It's just plywood under it. The tile is sticking good, but we don't like the looks of it. So we're going to pull all this out of here, get these baseboards all cleaned up. Then we're going to put down a new subfloor. We're going to do a wood laminate flooring, and I'll show you here what it's going to look like. Okay, we're going to be using this wood. I say it's wood laminate. It is wood, but it's got this coating on it. And these are really simple to use. They are tongue and groove. So we're going to be putting these together. They snap together real easy. I don't want to snap them together right now real tight, but you can see right there that end is already together. So we'll get those snapped in there, and you place them in one at a time, and you work your way across. And that'll be a real pretty floor. Just picture this trim as clean and nice and white. But that's what it's going to look like once we get it done. Guys, I think that's going to look really nice with this dark wood vanity we've got in here.
That and the tile.
Yes, it's going to tie in with the tile real good. So stick around, and you're going to get to see Rachel and I tear some stuff up.
Come in. Do you want to build a snowman?
Yes, I do.
So Rusty's taking the pins out of the door because that's a little door, you guys. It's a tiny door. Rusty, what's the issue?
Okay, so trying to get this toilet out, and you can see down here on these nuts that hold the toilet bowl to the floor, the nut is rusted on the bolt. Well, when I try turning that, it's just turning inside the toilet flange. So what we got to do is I'm going to try popping it with the chisel. If not, I'm going to have to get my grinder with a cutting wheel and cut that off of there. So time will tell.
Okay guys, with some elbow grease, we got the walls scrubbed. Yes? Okay, be careful, love you. We got the trim cleaned up. Got that floor all clean.
Okay guys, so what I've done here, we just went ahead and butted up right up against our quarter round. This is not exact in the corner, because everybody knows no house is perfectly square, especially not these old farmhouses. We've made our rough opening around the sewer line, so this is all going to be covered by commode anyway. We're not too worried about that. After you get all these in, if you will take one of your cutoff pieces that has the groove in it, you slide it right over that. That way you've got your cut in here, you're not messing up a lip, and just gently tap on it. That makes sure that you're getting every piece locked together, just like that. And do the same thing for the ends coming this way, that way everything's getting locked in good and tight in all directions. Let's go ahead and get some more longboards in here. And the nice part about these, just like that. Bada bang. That one's in. Use our tapping block. We don't want to mess up that lip. Slide it down. Got that. There you go. Now we're ready for the next one. All of your seams on your wood floors, whether it's like this or it's real wood, you always want to stagger your seams. You don't ever want your seams all running together, because when you do, that creates a weak point. So if everything is staggered, you've got everything tied in good together, everything stays good and tight that way. This over here, we're not going to fill this in. Our vanity's going to sit right here anyway. If we were going to fill it in, I'd have to go get some plywood to bring the subfloor up to flush and then put the laminate over it. We're not worried about that today because our vanity's going to come out to here anyway. We've got plenty of material under it. The vanity comes to here and goes across. So if we had the time to do it, I would fill that in. But since we got an offer on the house on the farm yesterday, we're in a time crunch. We have 30 days to get this house livable. And when I say livable, we want to have the floors done, the walls painted, the ceilings painted, everything cleaned up, ready to move in, so we can move in and not have to continue working on the house while we're living in it. things I have forgot to tell you. If you don't know, when you're cutting something, whether it's finished plywood or these floor planks, always cut from the raw side. That way, when you're cutting through, you're not tearing up the finished side, because it will leave splinters on the end of the board. When you're cutting it, it'll splinter the ends of your board like that. So you always want to make sure that you're cutting on the wood side, not the finished side. Okay guys, that's just the bathroom floor. We still have to paint and put out all the fixtures back in, but that's a whole nother video.
I hope you guys like our videos. If you do, please hit the like button.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
Share with your friends.
Leave comments. We love to hear back from you guys.
Yep, and smash that bell. Until next time, you guys, God bless.
See ya.